in this video I will be talking about why you should not work in a BPO. You need to hear a lot of profanity, vulgar languages. So at that time she was saying that we can raise a ZT on this. More or less, many of the companies violate the basic human right, and I don't know if it's legal. See guys, what I have purchased recently. Hey guys, in this video I will be talking about why you should not work in a BPO. Now a lot of you might don't know I am working in a BPO. I have shared the previous journey on this channel as well. So today what happened, a customer came and he has some issue with her order. I called her to initiate a refund and give her the resolution accordingly. At that time the customer was shouting me without any reason. So I asked her that why are you shouting, can you listen so I can give you a resolution. I said very politely, and one of my supervisor after hearing that called me that why are you saying that. I mean, I said that very politely. I didn't be rude to her as she was. I told my supervisor that it's my policy that I will say that if someone is shouting me, I will surely say that why are you shouting, kindly listen so I can give you the resolution accordingly. And being honest, I didn't say that rudely. So instantly my supervisor go to the quality advisor, the quality employee we have in the company, and instantly the quality the quality team asking me that why did you say that, why you was shouting on the customer. And I said that I didn't shout on the customer was shouting on me. And at that time she was saying that no, you can't say that, you need to hear a lot of profanity, vulgar languages, you can't say that. And I said, ma'am, I just politely asked the customer to kindly listen and not shout on me. What did I did wrong? So at that time she was saying that we can raise a ZT on this. And I said, yeah, you can raise a ZT on this if in this reason you raise. I don't have anything to say. Is that the basic human rights? Like if someone is shouting on you, you cannot even ask politely that why you are shouting on me. I don't know if it's even a legal thing, and if it's a legal that someone don't have the right, the basic human right that can't ask the front person to kindly listen what the resolution I'm giving. So I don't know what they are doing. So yeah, there is a lot of shit in the BPO sector. The few things that you guys are might be curious that why I have joined the BPO is the only reason is that in the Kolkata the BPO is booming. On top of that, I can do this job from my home. So since I got the work from home job, I thought that it would be great to do the job from home rather than any office. Previously I also worked as in a BPO company in StarTech, and I also left there. Long story short, there is a lot of human rights that get violated on BPO sector, and you can't even ask anyone. Each and every supervisor will somewhere ask you for minor reason to shall I initiate a ZT. They are really humiliating the basic human rights. Whatever, I know I'm gonna work here for few months. After that I'm gonna leave. But yeah, I thought to share. If you guys are here in a BPO or something, if you guys are not, then I will suggest don't join any BPO companies. And if you guys in a BPO companies, I will highly request you guys to skill up. And if you guys are in a BPO companies, I will highly request, whatever, I know I'm gonna work here for few months. After that I'm gonna leave. If you guys are in a BPO companies, I will highly request you guys to just leave the BPO sector as soon as possible as you can. Long story short, more or less, many of the companies violate the basic human right, and I don't know if it's legal. And even if it's legal, I think that all the company employee agree that there is a lot of things that should not be. Also, I have started a new challenge that I'm going to do vlogging for the next 30 days straight. I'm doing all my videos in really simple way in Final Cut Pro. By the way, look at my condition of the bed. I didn't make it. I will make sure to make it by the morning. And by the way, see guys, what I have purchased recently, the 24 cans of Red Bull. So yeah, now I will get enough energy to do edit the videos for you guys. That's all for today's video. Make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.